Hello students, the story of Dolly, or we are also called as a animal cloning, or we are also called as a reproductive cloning. So in the reproductive cloning, they produced entire organism. They produced entire organism from the single cell. So actually in this technique, they using as a there are two donors. One we are called as a egg donor, that we are called as a egg donor, and second one we are called as a nuclear donor. So here in this technique they are using two donors, as a egg donor and as a nuclear donor. They collect the egg cell from the egg donor and remove the nucleus. That remove of the nucleus we are called as a anucleation. That we are called as a anucleation. That egg is formed. That egg we are called as a anucleated egg. So this is anucleated egg. And at the same time they collect the mammary cells from the mammary glands of the nuclear donor. So these mammary cells contain 2x stage of nucleus, that we are called diploidic nucleus is present in the mammary cells, and they are cultured, and they are separated, and they are ready for fused with a nucleated cell that we are called as a egg cell. So that is the memory cells and a nucleated cell fused with using an electric shock. The combined cells with the help of using an electric shock. When the electric shock is used, the 2x memory cell and egg, that is a nucleated cell, the both cells are fused and form as a complete, that is as a complete artificial fertilizer like egg is produced. Complete artificial fertilizer egg is produced because it contains 2x, means a diploidic nucleus in the egg nucleated cell. So that's why we are called as a artificial or in vitro. So we are that is producing this artificial that is fertilized egg, that's we are called as a in vitro method. So this artificial fertilized egg or 2x stage of egg is grown in medium, and it is to divided as a normal become a blastocyst. So it is divided into normally to become a blastocyst in the medium. Then this blastocyst is ready to transfer into another organism that we are called as a surrogate Eve. So means it is called as a carrier Eve. So in this carrier Eve, the blastocyst developed into a fetus, and in about 5 months a limb is born, that we are called as a dolly. So this is technique is only that is artificial egg is produced in the in vitro method and transferred into a third one carrier, or we are also called as a surrogate Eve. And after surrogate Eve, after 5 months a limb is produced, that we are called as a dolly. So this technique is given by, that is we are called as a Ian Wilmot in 1997. So this technique is given by Ian Wilmot in 1997. So this is called as a reproductive cloning or animal cloning. So about the story of Dolly.